When I did get into it, it's because of the statistics that I was seeing here in our state that were so alarming.
Black women here are 3 times more likely to die during or after childbirth than white women. And Oklahoma Birth Equity Initiative's working to change that by providing free community doulas. I found out what exactly a doula does and how well the program is working. It's on Her Mind.
I don't really want an invasive space. I want to be able to have a very peaceful space.
First-time mom Faja Wade planned to deliver her first baby at home with her husband. While she had never been through labor before, she told me she wasn't afraid of the pain because that's one of the things her doula prepared her for.
I know that's just a part of the process, and I've been working on comfort measures with my doula as well, and just trusting my intuition.
Allowing them to know that your birthing experience is yours and yours alone, and the joy that comes after that is the baby and watching the baby grow.
Lachelle Wells-Dixon is Faja's doula through Oklahoma Birth Equity Initiative.
We offer community-based doula services for Black, Native, Latin teens, those navigating the substance misuse and the justice system at no cost.
Amari Jimerson is the executive director of Oklahoma Birth Equity Initiative. She says community-based doulas see clients 20 to 30 times on average. When it's time for delivery, they assist mom alongside midwives in birthing centers or physicians in hospitals.
The birthing space is a beautiful space because we are allowed to be in this sacred moment with our clients and participate in the life entering into the world.
Faja was planning on a home birth, but she and her husband wound up welcoming their baby girl in a hospital. It was a natural birth, with Lachelle at their side, supporting and advocating. Mom and baby were perfectly healthy.
A lot of the clients are saying they want to take back their birthing experiences, and although some of them do deliver in the hospitals, they want to do it on their terms.
It really gives me like a total peace of mind, and it's made me feel a lot more comfortable through the process, especially as a first-time mother.
Faja's experience is unique because she's also in training to become a doula.
It really allows me to apply the theory to the practice and see how the doula work is implemented while kind of gaining a sense of how I would like to apply the same teachings to my clients as well.
Community-based doulas are just one piece of what Oklahoma Birth Equity Initiative does. The nonprofit works with providers to keep the mother at the center of care, so they're involved in all decisions, and it doesn't feel like things are just being done to them. That's part of the team birth approach I first reported on back in 2019, when St. Francis was part of a pilot project. Amari says they also work closely with hospitals to analyze their data to identify trends that might need to be addressed. They do community engagement and outreach and work on advocacy and policy, and they offer Queens Village.
We know that a lot of the disparities, not just in maternal health, that we see in the Black population are fed by the stress of racism that they experience throughout their day-to-day life. And so what Queens Village tries to do is create a safe space for Black women to gather and just be themselves. And what we have seen is when Black women have a safe space to gather, it reduces infant mortality, preterm birth.
It really gives me like a total peace of mind, and it's made me feel a lot more comfortable through the process, especially as a first-time mother.
The return on investment is there.
Oklahoma Birth Equity Initiative was known as Tulsa Birth Equity Initiative, but recently expanded. Now they're working to provide community-based doulas across Oklahoma. Since 2019, they've supported more than 375 clients and have 140 trained community-based doulas. They're funded by the George Kaiser Family Foundation, BEST, Safer Childbirth Cities, and Ascension St. John. If you'd like to see if you qualify for a free community-based doula or to learn more about their programs, just go to okbirthequity.org. What's on your mind? I'd love to hear your story ideas. Email onhermind@fox23.com.